What if I told you that a simple glass of garlic water could be the key to transforming your health in ways you never imagined? Yes, garlic isn't just for cooking, it's a superfood that could change your life. In today's video, we'll dive into the remarkable health benefits of drinking garlic water daily. From boosting your immune system to enhancing heart health, stay tuned as we break down exactly what happens to your body when you start this powerful habit. Nutritional profile of garlic. Before delving into the benefits of garlic water, it's essential to understand garlic's rich nutritional profile. According to the USDA, a 3-gram clove of raw garlic contains calories, 4.5 carbohydrates, 1 gram vitamin C, 2% of the daily value DV manganese, 2% of the DV vitamin B6, 2% of the DV selenium. Trace amounts. Garlic also contains compounds like allicin, sulfur, and other antioxidants that are largely responsible for its health benefits. Allicin, in particular, is the compound activated when garlic is crushed or chopped, offering anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antioxidant properties. Boosts heart health and lowers blood pressure. Garlic has been extensively studied for its positive impact on cardiovascular health, with garlic water providing a simple and effective way to reap these benefits. One of the standout effects of consuming garlic is its ability to reduce high blood pressure, a major risk factor for heart disease and stroke. According to the American Heart Association, nearly half of U.S. adults have high blood pressure, putting them at a higher risk for heart attacks and strokes. A comprehensive meta-analysis of 12 randomized clinical trials published in the Journal of Nutrition found that garlic supplementation significantly reduced both systolic and diastolic blood pressure in hypertensive individuals by an average of 8 millimeters of mercury and 7 mmHg, respectively. The study indicated that consuming garlic daily, whether raw as garlic water or in supplement form, could produce similar results. High cholesterol is another contributor to heart disease, and garlic has been shown to lower LDL, bad cholesterol levels. A study by the NIH highlighted garlic's role in reducing LDL cholesterol by 10 to 15% over a period of 6 to 12 weeks, without affecting HDL, good cholesterol. This is especially important as LDL cholesterol buildup leads to arterial plaque, increasing the risk of heart attacks. Enhance immune function. Garlic has long been associated with immune-boosting properties, often used in traditional medicine to combat common colds and infections. The immune-enhancing effects of garlic water are supported by modern science. A 12-week study conducted by the NIH involving 146 participants found that those who consumed garlic supplements were 63% less likely to catch a cold. Furthermore, even when infected, participants who consumed garlic recovered 70% faster than those who didn't. Garlic water can provide similar antiviral and antibacterial benefits, as it releases allicin, which helps the body fight off pathogens. The sulfur compounds in garlic, such as allicin, diallyl sulfide, and S-allylcysteine, provide antioxidant protection by neutralizing free radicals that damage cells. This oxidative damage is linked to aging and several diseases, including cancer and cardiovascular disease. Help regulate blood sugar levels. One of the most intriguing aspects of garlic water is its potential benefit for those managing blood sugar levels. Both diabetes and prediabetes are widespread in the United States, with the CDC reporting that over 34 million Americans have diabetes, and another 88 million have prediabetes. Garlic water may provide a natural way to help manage blood sugar levels. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that consuming garlic significantly lowered fasting blood glucose levels in individuals with type 2 diabetes. The study involved 60 participants who took either garlic supplements or a placebo. After 12 weeks, the garlic group showed a 13% reduction in fasting blood sugar levels. These findings suggest that incorporating garlic water into a daily routine could help manage blood sugar more effectively, especially when combined with a balanced diet. Promote digestive health. Garlic contains prebiotics, non-digestible fibers that feed beneficial bacteria in the gut. These healthy bacteria play a critical role in digestion, nutrient absorption, and immune function. By consuming garlic water, you can promote a healthier gut microbiome, potentially improving digestion and reducing gastrointestinal issues like bloating or constipation. Garlic's antimicrobial properties also help to keep harmful bacteria, fungi, and parasites in check. Research from the Journal of Antimicrobial Chemotherapy found that garlic can be effective in killing off certain strains of bacteria, including E. coli and Salmonella, which can cause foodborne illnesses. Drinking garlic water may help protect the gut from these harmful microbes, improving overall digestive function. Aid in weight loss. While garlic water alone won't miraculously lead to weight loss, studies suggest it could be a beneficial addition to a healthy diet and exercise routine. A study from Appetite Journal found that participants who consumed garlic before meals reported lower hunger levels and reduced caloric intake compared to those who didn't. Garlic stimulates the production of norepinephrine, a hormone that helps reduce appetite and boost metabolic activity. Garlic may also enhance the body's ability to burn fat. A study in the Journal of Nutrition found that rats given garlic experienced a significant reduction in body weight and fat accumulation. Improve bone health. Garlic water could also contribute to stronger bones, particularly for older adults who are at greater risk of osteoporosis. According to research published in the Journal of Phytotherapy Research, garlic can increase estrogen levels in women, which plays a crucial role in maintaining bone density. Postmenopausal women who experience a drop in estrogen are more prone to bone loss and fractures. The study found that consuming garlic daily helped mitigate bone loss in women by increasing estrogen levels. Garlic's anti-inflammatory properties may also reduce the symptoms of osteoarthritis. A study by King's College London found that women who consumed more garlic were less likely to develop osteoarthritis in their hips than those who did not. The study suggests that sulfur compounds in garlic help reduce cartilage damage and inflammation in joints, offering potential protection against arthritis and joint pain. Potential cancer prevention. One of garlic's most promising benefits is its potential role in cancer prevention. Numerous studies have explored garlic's effect on various types of cancer, with many showing promising results. The National Cancer Institute has recognized garlic as one of the vegetables with cancer preventive properties. Several population studies have found that increased garlic consumption is linked to a reduced risk of developing cancers of the stomach, colon, and esophagus. For instance, a study conducted in China found that individuals who consumed raw garlic twice a week had a 44% reduced risk of lung cancer. Garlic's sulfur compounds, such as diallyl sulfide, have been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells by inducing apoptosis, programmed cell death, and preventing the spread of cancerous cells. Detoxify heavy metals. Garlic's sulfur compounds have also been found to detoxify heavy metals in the body. Exposure to heavy metals like lead and mercury can cause significant health issues, ranging from kidney damage to neurological disorders. A clinical study published in the Basic and Clinical Pharmacology and Toxicology Journal found that garlic was as effective as D-penicillamine, a standard treatment for lead poisoning, in reducing blood lead levels in workers exposed to high levels of lead. Participants who consumed garlic supplements for 4 weeks showed a 19% reduction in lead levels, along with improvements in symptoms such as headaches and high blood pressure. This suggests that regularly drinking garlic water might serve as a natural way to help detoxify the body from heavy metal accumulation. Protecting organs from toxic damage. Further research has shown that garlic helps protect organs from damage caused by heavy metal toxicity. Support skin health. Garlic is packed with antioxidants and antibacterial compounds that may help protect the skin from damage and promote a clearer complexion. Garlic's antimicrobial properties can be particularly beneficial for those dealing with acne. Research from dermatologic therapy shows that garlic's sulfur compounds, such as allicin, are effective against acne-causing bacteria like P. acnes. Drinking garlic water may help reduce the frequency of acne outbreaks by detoxifying the skin from within and killing off harmful bacteria. Garlic's antioxidants may also slow down signs of aging. A study published in Phytotherapy Research found that garlic extract increased the activity of certain enzymes that fight oxidative stress, which is one of the major contributors to skin aging. Regular consumption of garlic water could help protect skin cells from damage caused by free radicals, reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines over time. Improve brain health and reduce risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Garlic water may also have significant benefits for brain health, particularly in reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and dementia. Several studies suggest that garlic can enhance cognitive function and protect the brain from age-related decline. A study published in the Journal of Neurochemistry found that garlic's sulfur compounds help reduce brain inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which contribute to neurodegenerative diseases. Another study published in the Journal of Nutrition reported that aged garlic extract improved memory retention in mice, suggesting that garlic might offer neuroprotective benefits for humans as well. Preventing Alzheimer's and dementia. Alzheimer's and other forms of dementia are linked to oxidative damage and inflammation in the brain. Research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition has shown that regular consumption of garlic may lower the risk of Alzheimer's by inhibiting oxidative damage and promoting healthy blood flow to the brain. Allicin, in particular, has been shown to cross the blood-brain barrier, where it helps to protect nerve cells from damage and enhance cognitive function. How to make garlic water. Making garlic water is simple and requires just a few ingredients. Ingredients: 1 to 2 cloves of raw garlic, 1 cup of water, honey or lemon optional. For taste. Instructions: peel and crush the garlic cloves to activate the allicin. Let the garlic sit for 5 to 10 minutes to maximize the release of beneficial compounds. Add the crushed garlic to a glass of warm or room temperature water. Stir and allow the garlic to steep for a few minutes. Optionally, add honey or lemon to improve the taste. Drink the garlic water first thing in the morning for best results. It's recommended to start with small amounts of garlic and gradually increase the quantity as your body adjusts.